Okay, class. So our lesson and focus today is when we look at some word problems that there may be more than one step. This one that I have for you today is going to require you to do two steps in order to get to the final answer. And then the follow-up video after that is going to be about adding an extra step. So it's going to take us three steps to get there. Let's take a look at the question. It says Mr. G fills his 13-gallon fuel tank at $3 per gallon at a gas station. How much money does he need to pay for filling his car nine such times? So I know I have um, a 13-gallon fuel tank. I know that it's going to cost me $3 per gallon at a gas station. Again, these are the things that I know, so I'll underline those two parts. And the question is, how much money does he need to pay for filling his car nine such times? So again, I know I have a 13-gallon fuel tank, and I know it costs a certain amount, $3 per gallon for every gallon of fuel. And what is it I need to find out? Total cost of money for filling car nine times. So I have a good idea now of what I know and what it is that I need to find out. So if I think about my number sentence here, I think the operation I need to use is multiplication, because if I know 1 gallon of fuel is $3, then two would be $6. So I'm going to shorten that to multiplication instead of repeated addition. And so, 13 gallons would be the 13 gallons it takes to fill the tank, multiplied by $3 per gallon, and that's going to equal um, C. And again, C would represent the cost of the fuel slash gas. So that's my number sentence. So I'm going to do the math part here, and in order to do the math, I'm going to make this a little simpler. So I'm going to do 13 gallons times $3. And I'll remember that I took the two zeros off to help me multiply here. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. So that's the first part to solve this problem. So again, 13 gallons of fuel times $3 is equal to $39, and I need to know what that $39 is, and it's $39 to fill the tank, or I think another way to think of it is the cost of a full tank of gas, right? So that's only part one. Part one is that's how much it costs me to fill it up just one time. I need to do that nine times. So I'm going to take that $39 and I'm going to multiply it by how many times I need to do it, which is 9. Okay, and again, keeping in mind that this is money. So 9 times 9 is 81, carry the 8. 9 times 3 is 27, plus the 8 is 35. And I have to remember what this is, so it's money. And then now I need my fifth grade answer. And so my fifth grade answer I'll put down here at the bottom is, how much money does he need to pay for playing his car nine such times? Mr. G needs $351 to fill his car 9 times. So again, I need to do two steps in order to figure this out. I need to figure out how much it costs me to figure out one tank of gas, and then I need to multiply that by 9. So now it's your turn on the next next kind of slide here, I've got the same question, just some different numbers. It says Mr. G fills his 18-gallon fuel tank at $4 per gallon at a gas station. How much money does he need to pay for filling his car 12 such times? We kind of go through the same steps. What do you know? What is it that you need to find out? And then what does your number sentence look like? So good luck. I look forward to seeing your responses tomorrow.